It's been 2.5 years since Aidan and I left the cabin by the sea in San Diego. We never thought it would take us so long to go back. We couldn't be more excited. Welcome to Ocean Beach. This is where we used to live. Can you believe we left this place? I know, it's beautiful. After we got set up, we made our way to Newport Avenue for some good old burritos.
California burrito, about the size of my hand.
No, it's like your forearm.
I have a
bro.
small, yeah, basically like
It's
my
the size
forearm.
of your entire forearm.
It really is. It's literally from my elbow to my wrist. It has carne asada, some
Papas
guac in
fritas.
there, some pico de gallo, and papa frita and carne asada.
We visit our old place and one of our favorite restaurants, the OB Noodle House. They were basically our neighbors too. We walked past places where we used to go, even the laundry place.
¿Cuántas monedas perdimos en esta máquina? Should we play?
After reconnecting with this special part of San Diego, it was time to hang out and get some food in Mission Beach. We woke up to a cloudy morning, but the best ocean breeze.
el aeropuerto aquí está como a 15 minutos. Así que todos los aviones pasan por acá. Me perdió el Aidan. Fue a buscar su tabla. Ahí viene.
When we left San Diego, Aidan left his surfboard with a friend, so now he gets to use it again. After breakfast, we came back to grab our bags and head downtown. We visited our friend Josh for lunch, and he took us to a place with the best ramen ever.
Horton Grand Hotel. We're gonna be staying here just for the night because it's so close to our concert.
This is the first time we stay at a hotel in San Diego. And just like you heard, tonight we have a concert. We're going to see the Red Hot Chili Peppers at Petco Park. We started the evening at a very interesting bar. We couldn't figure if it was an old temple, some type of church, or just a theme.
Yes.
Okay, so we got kicked out of the concert already.
Yes. We got kicked out because this
Basically,
little
yeah,
camera that I'm
The thing
recording
that we're holding
can't go in.
can't go in. And guess what, guys? We read the rules.
We read the
done
rules in the website and
And it doesn't matter.
luckily we're staying like 5 blocks away from the stadium.
Yeah.
And
Otherwise,
shoot,
we'd have to
watch
pay
out.
$12 for a locker, and you know what I mean? That's just that's kind of
$12 for a
right?
and I don't even need to leave my bag, so I just would leave the GoPro. It doesn't make sense. So we're just gonna go back to the hotel, drop this baby off, and yeah, and come back. So whatever you see after will be recorded with my phone. Oportunidad 2 desde mi iPhone.
And I hope we get in. I hope we get in.
Yeah, we should be okay right now.
How much?
I
are
don't
we
have
gonna
anything
to
in
pay
my
her?
purse.
We got some.
Somebody's playing right now. Can you see the difference between my GoPro and the phone? Let me know in the comments. You ready?
breakfast, we left the hotel and went for a little shopping. Even though we don't live here anymore, we still love and follow the Padres. We're big fans.
Show our Woodies.
Got a Padres hat. Kinda got a cool Padres shirt.
Yes.
We decided to downsize because the things that we really wanted were
Too expensive.
we could take a whole trip to San Diego and see the Padres for that cost. Why not?
During our stay, we had at least 3 or 4 Uber rides in Teslas. These cars are so cool. After our short stay in downtown, it's time to go back to OB. Next on California Dreaming.